What's up, everybody? Welcome to my garage. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. Well, you may have seen in the last couple of videos, we've had some issues with the GT350, and we're going to take her to the shop right now because we're going to get it fixed up, or Ricky and Mark are just going to say, hey, you have a dead battery, idiot. Why couldn't you figure out how to jump start it, idiot? They'll be nicer than that, but effectively, that could be the issue, or it could be a start or something more severe. So we're going to take it to 218 and see what's up. All right, at least we got one of our two Shelbys running perfectly. This thing, man, I love it. Just going nice and easy out. We don't want to scrape, don't want to get any damage there, but I think we're good. Now, I really hope this is gonna be just a very short, quick drop off, a day, maybe two tops. Hey, Ricky Martin, I got more work for you guys. I got a Shelby issue. By the way,
just needs a battery.
You gotta get, hey, too soon. I told them too much already. They're probably gonna fix some bigger issues, come back and say it's just a battery, just for the sake of embarrassing me. Talking about seized engines, no. By the way, the expectation is that you don't fix it in like 30 seconds. At least make me look good. Make it look like I had a legitimate reason to go up 3 times, have it towed, etc., etc. We're gonna do a battery test here. What do we got? What's the sitch? It's green. Green's good, right?
She's in the... she's a little weak. She's a little weak.
She's a little weak, but not. A jump start pack should have jump started her, right?
You'd think so, yeah.
You would think so. You would think so. Now, James did me a solid, loaned me the trailer and his time, so we're gonna do him a solid. We're gonna get his super exhaust, the M2 exhaust, and the Lamborghini exhaust out of here back to his place using the trailer. Now, I don't know who left that review that said you guys don't do anything. It wasn't me, definitely wasn't me. And you're looking good doing it too. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you in a minute once we sort that out. I also got to bring the Hellcat by just real quick for a quick thing. We got James's again, what, the M2, Sophie's Supra, and the Gallardo, making the world a better place. See you guys. Oh, now as soon as I pick up the camera, I flub it. Backing up a trailer is a lot of muscle memory, and when you haven't done it in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, I don't remember the last time, it takes a second. Don't hit the house, we're cruising. Not bad, not bad, not bad-ish. I just got a text. This is getting ridiculous. Too fast. He just left literally 15 minutes ago. He already fixed my Hellcat. Look at the tape. Yeah. What do you mean good to go?
Oh, you know.
What do you mean? Whoa, hey. Are we trading straight up?
Yeah, it's James doesn't know, but we're gonna swap a room. You know?
Honestly, I'd rather have that than that. Mainly because I actually can't drive that. I don't fit.
Oh,
like legit.
Oh, there's John.
Hey. Man, we got chaos right now. So there were just a ton of rocks that were...
tons of gravel, dude.
That were in there.
Just force fed right in that crevice and just...
Right. So you got it on the lift. And once... Did you put it on a lift? You didn't even put it on a lift?
No, I'm small, man.
Are you telling me you crawled under there?
I crawled.
Everyone knows I'm incapable of anything anyways. You didn't even put it on the lift. Are you serious?
Yeah.
No lift?
Yeah.
Hey.
Can't sneak anywhere in this neighborhood.
Well, you started that up. We got a Gallardo. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Didn't put the fenders back on it.
No.
That's me and you later tonight. Man talk. Garage time. Now, if you're all confused what just happened, join the club. Let me try to break it down real quick for you. You see, dropped the GT350 off. I came home. I'm doing some consulting work for my old day job. All of a sudden, Ricky and Mark are here with the GT350 fixed. Now, while he's here, he says, do you want me to take the Hellcat and try to get that sorted out? I'm like, absolutely. So he jumps in the Hellcat, takes off. And before I can even get my wits about me, he's back already, and he sorted out that little bulge. There were just some rocks in there. He removed that bottom panel, got the rocks out, good as new. I knew it was something basic. I can't fix basic. Because it was just like I had hoped. The rocks were stuck up in here, so we moved this piece, got it cleaned out, and it's as good as new. But now I get to accomplish something, and that is to put the wide body kit back on, because now we're going to take the next step to complete this project. Even though it was complete, it never was fully 100% complete. You see, we never finished the wheel well liners, so we're going to get this fixed up, take it to Casey Draper. He's going to finish that, and then we're going to be done finally with the Hellcat. Kind of, but more on that to come. Also, you may be curious, with the GT350, was it actually the battery? Am I actually incompetent? The answer to that is no. Sorry, yes, of course I'm incompetent, but it was not the battery, it was a bad starter. So a few $100s later, fixed up, good to go, good as new. Now let's get the Hellcat put back together, and then we're gonna be net positive for once on cars that work on this channel. Let's get Girth Nation put back together. Also, you'll be happy to know I stayed organized. These are all the bits and pieces. We're good to go. All right, so I've barely done anything. I already got a little bit of a hiccup. You see, this piece goes in on the inside here before the full wide body kit comes on. However, this rivet here popped out, and I don't have any more of these, so I'm gonna get with Casey Draper. We're gonna get a different one, pop that in so we can put the rest of it on. So that is a little bit of a hiccup in this whole install, but it kind of makes sense because this video is so disjointed and all over the place. It's really a great depiction of how my life really is going right now. It takes this long, this many days, and this many attempts to get kind of the simple things done. Welcome to my life. Well, check that out. We got a new bolt in. Casey Draper, he was here and now he's gone already. He just popped off for about 10 seconds, put that baby in. We're good to go. We got to actually go to Salt Lake for a meeting now, so we're going to have to put this on pause for just a minute. But trust me, you guys do not want to go to this meeting with me. It is a pure accounting, financial meeting. But it should be a good drive. We're going to take the Ferrari. We'll catch you on the flip. Yeah, new day, new clothes, but guess what? The wheel liners are done. And that was one of those last little things to do on such a major project. So if you check this out, see if we can get the shot there. Yes, there we go. And we did it on all 4 corners, not just the one, all 4, baby. So a massive shout out to Casey Draper for getting that done and for the epic work that you did on this epic build. You absolutely slayed it. I love the way it turned out. Slayed, I don't know, do we still say slay? Is slayed a thing? I don't even know. Anyways, I love it. It looks awesome. I appreciate you. And just like that, we're back in business and everything is working. It does feel good to be accomplished and be on the net positive of things for once in a while. Anyways, this is where we're gonna leave you. Stay tuned. We've got a couple big changes coming up in the next 2 videos, so pay attention if you want. Appreciate y'all. I wish you the best of luck. Make sure you go crush it. Peace.